You get $15. You get $15. We all get $15. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a program that is paying you $15 for every person that downloads an app from your link, and it costs nothing to join. So if you had 10 friends that did this and it only takes a minute, you'd make $150 in 1 minute. Are you ready to make some free money? Let's go! The name of this program is called Dosh. What's the name? It's called Dosh. How much does it cost to join? It costs nothing to join. Zero, zilch, nada. It's absolutely free. Another way, in case you didn't get it, it's free. Nothing to join. Is this a scam, Melvin? Are you really going to ask me that? Get off this page. What this company is doing is, rather than paying millions of dollars for commercials to get this app on people's phone, they would rather pay you to just tell your friends, and they're going to pay $15 for every person you tell. All they have to do is attach a bank card. No money will be taken, no balance required. That's right, if you have a negative balance on your bank card, it doesn't matter. You'll now have a positive balance after you do this program. Just share it. Let me give you some proof. This is my homegirl. She has been doing this and she has been killing it. It's really easy to kill because you're just telling people to download an app and add a card, and you make $15 for every person that does it. How simple is that? Okay, let's talk a little bit about what Dosh is. Dosh is kind of like Ebates. It is an application that gives you cash back from places that you already shop. So if you're going to Home Depot and you spend money at Home Depot, you probably don't get any cash back. Well, if you go to Home Depot and you use your Dosh app, then you're going to get cash back. So you go the places that you go, you shop where you shop, you purchase through Dosh, and Dosh gives you cash back. So this app has uses outside of paying people to refer. So it is a good app, and you may want to keep it even after this referral period. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to get started with Dosh. Now remember, it's Dosh, not douche. That's kind of nasty if you're thinking douche. So how do we get started? It's very simple. Download the Dosh using the link in this video. As a matter of fact, when you click on the link, you'll be taken to this website you see here. Just click the download link on any phone or mobile device. Second, you can register with any credit card or debit card. Your card must be active. A balance is not required. No money will be taken. No prepaid cards. Don't try to be slick. If you do use a prepaid card, you will screw this up. Verify your email, because they're going to send you an email. Last but not least, when you get the app, click the social tab for your promo link, share the link, and start earning $15 per referral. So if you were seriously broke, well, the good news is Dosh is here. Let your friends know about Dosh and to get them on your referral link. Now I must warn you, Dosh only pays if a person adds a bank card. They don't add a bank card, you won't get paid. Also, this opportunity is only open until January 21st of 2018. Sorry, I just found out about it myself. So yeah, you only have a few days to make as much money as you want. And last but not least, if a person uses Dosh and makes a qualified purchase and they get $5 back, well, guess what? You will get an extra $5 on their first purchase. So not only will you make $15 when they download the app, you could make an extra $5 if they use the app. So encourage them to use it. That's $20 a friend potentially. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to use Dosh because I want to do this myself live in front of you so you can follow the steps as I do them. All All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you everything you need for Dosh. Remember, you need to have a phone that is active, and you need to have a bank card that is active. Remember, it cannot be a prepaid card, and it must be an active bank card, and you will need an email. So now that you have that, let's get started. Cell phone, I'm going to get started downloading Dosh. So I'm going to click the Download Now button. And it takes me right here. Cool. I'm going to wait for it to download. And again, make sure you're going through the website that we sent so you can get your referral link. Don't just go outside of that. So make sure you're going through the link. So once it's downloaded, I'm going to open it. And it's going to pull up Dosh. So I'm going to go next, next, and next, and next. And I want to hit the Join Dosh button at the bottom. I want to put in my mobile phone number. And it's going to ask me to verify my number, which I'm going to do that. And they just sent me a code to my text. Waiting for the code. And there's the code. I'm going to type in the code. And I want to verify it. Yay! Now, I'm going to put in your name here. So you're going to put in your name after you do all of this, what I did. I'm going to put in my email address. I'm going to create a password. I'm going to agree. I'm going to create my accounts. I want to enable my location. And again, you guys can follow this step by step. Awesome. So, the next thing I want to do is I am going to attach my card. Add a card. I'm going to press add a card here. And I am going to just add my card. So I'm going to type in my debit card number, which you guys won't see because I'm going to blur it out. Can't have you just having my debit card number, can we? And again, make sure you put this stuff in accurately because I'm going to give you another little bonus here. Dosh is actually going to pay me or give me a $5 credit for doing this. Oops, I almost made a boo-boo. Had to go back and correct something. Add my card. I'm going to agree. And I'm getting my stuff unlocked. You have unlocked nearby offers and we've put $5 in your wallet. So awesome! I got $5 in my Dosh wallet. I'm going to click the X for all done for now. And add a card. I'm going to unlock nearby offers. So I'm good with my Dosh. Let me back out of this part. I'm connected. And now, if you want to share this and earn $15, at the very bottom, there is a social tab right beside cards. If you press that, you're going to generate your Dosh referral link. Now, you can tap this to copy your link on your phone, or you can share it with people. But if you join my team, we're going to give you that cool looking capture page that you just saw me use. So now I have completed my registration with Dosh. I think I have to verify my email, so let me just make sure I got an email from Dosh, because you always want to make sure you verify and do all the steps necessary. So let me see here. Dosh should have sent me an email. I'm waiting for it to sync. Come on, sync, sync, sync. There it is. I got to confirm my email. Now, very important, ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to confirm your email. So I'm going to confirm my email. I'm going to wait for it to show up. I'm going to hit confirm. Make sure you do this or you will not get paid. Go and confirm your email. So I'm going to confirm it right here. You found the confirm button. Click here. Cool. So I've confirmed. I don't need to download it again. I've already done it and I have confirmed with my Dosh. So I am good. And I think if you press the download or whatever, it'll just, I don't know what it'll do. We're just going to press it here. Again, we're doing this live. So there could be things that you'll see here. But anyway, I just confirmed my Dosh email. So now, if I go back to my Dosh app that I put on my phone, where is it? Where are you? It's right here. You can always go and check out everything, and I'm getting money off of everything. So Dosh is a really good app, and here is my bonus for my first connection card. So I have $5 in my Dosh. Awesome. So guys, you're gonna get $5 just by adding a card, and you're gonna get your referral link that you can send out to people, and when they Dosh, you get paid. So let's see, you get $15 for referral, you get $5 when you add a card, and you get another $5 when a person spends that $5 they get on something that they're going to already buy anyway. So in actuality, you can almost get like $25 with Dosh. Wow. So that is the Dosh. Got to mention here is Dosh will pay within 72 hours. So once you get a referral, you'll see it come into your Dosh wallet in 72 hours. Now, the big question is, how do I transfer this money to my bank account or my PayPal account? Well, it's simple. If you see where this $5 in my wallet, where I just got paid $5 just for registering, which is the easiest $5 I've made in the history of life itself, you just press that where that little $5 is, and it will ask you to transfer funds. Now, you have to have a minimum of $15 in here to transfer. So once you hit transfer funds, then it'll allow you to set up and tell it where you wanted to send your money. So again, once you accumulate over $15, you can transfer it out. So that means you have to get your referral, which if you registered like I did, you have $20, and you can literally transfer that cash out of your Dosh wallet to wherever you want it to go. Gentlemen, we just completed our Dosh. This is probably going to be the easiest way to make money in 2018, I would probably guess. Now, I do have to give a disclaimer. Once Dosh has reached a limit, they will stop registration for the day. So that means you need to hurry up and register now. Get it out to your friends now. Don't wait, because they will reach a limit during the evening time. So again, I got my butt up at 8 o'clock in the morning and started. And so now I'm gonna go out here and I'm gonna go ham sandwich with Dosh. I'm gonna promote it to the world, and I'm gonna see how many thousands of dollars I can earn from having people do something free. And I'm gonna help other people earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars, because someone out there is gonna tear this up and make a lot of money. So ladies and gentlemen, go out there and get your Dosh on and earn lots of money, and we will see you on the next video when we have something like this again.